It's dark 30. We got the trailer loaded up, Mr. Dan's truck fired up. We're heading to Yakima to pick up a new rig. So 1983 Oldsmobile Hertz. So I'm hoping we can film when we get there. Hopefully the truck's not too loud. The car's been sitting for 6.5 years, hasn't been touched at all. So hopefully we can get there, look around the car, show you the car, get the car loaded up, and then be able to get it back to the shop, kind of break it down. But I'm super jazzed. Hopefully everything goes smooth, and got like a 3-hour drive. Then we'll check out the car. Stopped here in Cle Elum for a stop. We're gonna get some breakfast. I wanted to check all the wheel bearings on the trailer, make sure everything's nice and cool. But yeah, we're making good time. Just be there in about an hour and a half and get the car on the trailer. Guy here, so here's what it is. 1983 Hurst Oldmobile 15th anniversary. So it's been sitting for 6 years. It sounds like it overheated and motor seized up, so we're gonna be going through it. I'll pop the trunk, kind of give you guys a walk around on it, show you everything, but the car is super solid and all complete. So let's get the hood open, trunk open, and see what kind of treasures we got. Interior's all 100% complete in there. I mean, for sitting as long as it is, it's a little dirty. Looks like maybe someone's cat got in here, but we got the old 3-stick lightning rod here. So I don't know if you know much about these, because I didn't, but it's super sweet. So you got manual shift first and second option on your automatic. But like I said, 15th anniversary. They only made 3,100 of these cars. Pretty cool. I think it needs an LS, but I don't know. What do you guys think? Let's get the trunk opened up and see what we got in here. So I was told, yep, we got the old matching original, because we got the spare up front, missing chin spoiler. We got some owner's manuals. This thing came with a bunch of paperwork that I'll show you as well. He also said he took the front accessories off when he was messing with the motor, trying to see if he could get it to turn over. Got the spoiler ends. Those were taken off. I guess the guy that owned it was an older fella, and he didn't want any of the stuff getting damaged, so he took it off, as well as these are the front fender guards. But yeah, everything looks super solid, super original. Factory jack. Come on, let's get this hood popped. Ooh, so shiny. The 50th anniversary badge there, and you know, it's a factory 307 Oldsmobile. Nothing too exciting. Reached in here, the old water pump seized too, so maybe that's why it overheated. We checked it when we were looking at it. It doesn't have any oil in it. I think the old timer drained the oil for some reason, so I don't know. We might be able to pull the water pump, put some oil in it, see, but she probably is going to need a full rebuild, but it's definitely all complete. There's no rust. Looking at all the frame rails up front, everything looks straight. I mean, there's still factory zip ties on it. So get this thing on the trailer, get it home, and get it on the lift. Got something.
Got something. Stopped when I rolled it off the trailer.
We got the car loaded up, and we're in this town called Natchez. Never been here before, but check this thing out. I don't know what it is. Ain't that thing just cooler than dang it?
It's a popcorn.
It's a popcorn stand, Solomon says. I don't think so, but I think it's awesome. But we got the olds loaded up. We're gonna hit the road and head on back. And like I said, we'll throw it on the lift when we get it home, look at it a little more. We don't want to bug the guy. Obviously, we weren't gonna try to start it. We were just kind of looking over it. So Super solid car. I'm super excited. Up to get some fuel. Everyone's digging the car. Everyone keeps stopping us, asking about it, but the old guy unhooked the drive line, came out of the tranny, peeing on the trailer. You know, it's all right. It's just free weatherproofing. But we're about halfway home, so we're in Ellensburg, and we'll keep jamming. But yeah, we've gotten a bunch of thumbs up and a bunch of people digging it. Thing is sick. You know, everything was going good until got pulled over by the old state patrol. But you know, he was pretty nice. So we'll see how it goes. But Dan does have like 2-year-old expired tabs. So what are you gonna do? You know, what are you gonna do? Never dull moment. We were just getting out of the old gas station and got pulled over by state patrol. He was looking at the car so hard he realized Dan had expired tabs. So, and they're like 2 years expired, a little bit, just a little bit. So we'll see. He's being cool so far, but we'll see how it goes. Never know. I'm sure you're curious. So he was cool. Let Dan off with warning. Said he needed to buy his tickets by Friday. So we'll see. Stay tuned. If Dan actually buys his ticket tabs. But he was definitely cool. So back on the road. Up to get some old Owens meats. You know, you got to stop when you're going through Cleveland. Found this 55 tilt nose. It's got a 409 in it. Started talking to the guy. Super cool. So, you know. We're back, getting it offloaded. Gonna stick it up on the lift and see what the underside looks like. Alright, well now that we got it back in the shop, I figured I'll bring you into the old cockpit, kind of show you around a little bit better now that we're not at the guy's house. He was nice enough to let us do some filming, but now we can really get in here and you guys can enjoy the old rich burgundy interior. So we got the old 3-stick lightning rod Hurst combo. That's kind of the fancy option of this car. That's what it's all about. So get the old first, second, you know, manual shift on your automatic. Pretty sweet. Got the old equipped with the smoking hole, AM FM cassette, air conditioned car, and cruise control car. Says it has 30,000. Could be. I don't know. Pedals don't look that warm. Probably 130, but it'd be all right. We got the anniversary Hurst badge. And yeah, visor with the mirror so the lady can do her makeup and looking good when you're going to town. Adjustable driver's mirror. What else we got? Bring you in the back. Got ashtray in the back for smoking in the back seat. I think that comes standard equipped on both sides. Oh yeah. Look at all the chrome accents on everything. Pretty sweet. Seat belts, fancy little buttons. All right, and then the headliner is in killer shape. So that's also a huge win. Well, seat belts ripped. That's kind of a bummer, but besides that, all the stainless on the buckles, the seat belt holder isn't broke. I mean, this thing's in really, really good shape. I mean, not even a hole in the carpet. All right. Oh. Rear defrost, flavor. Got your lights up here, cruise control and wipers here. We got some beautiful leather on the steering wheel. Center console car. I just like it. I like everything about it. There's nothing exciting up here like I already showed you. Sounds like this here smog motor is not exciting at all as well because it's seized. So we're going to have to figure out what we're going to do with that. And yeah. I really like this car though. I think it's going to be super cool. What do y'all think? All right, well, I'm going to save putting it on the lift for another video. I'm whooped. I think we were 9 hours into driving to get this thing. We made 2 stops. We got breakfast, and then we met the nice husband and wife with that 55 in Cleon. Stopped and talked to them for a while. But dude, it was a great trip. No issues. We did get pulled over. There was that. But thanks, Mr. Dan, for driving. That was a blast, and I'm excited to be part of this. Obviously, this is going to be my dad and my grandpa's build, but I'm going to be working on it. You're going to see more of it. Definitely going to be driving it. So, I think it's a super solid car. There is a little cosmetic stuff up front. The car was definitely driven, but I think a good wash and a buff job on it, and it's going to look real good from 10 feet. Cool car. You don't see them around often, so hopefully I can talk them into doing an LS or something with some more power. But I don't know. What do you guys think? Do you think the original motor should, obviously we'd always keep it, but do you think the original motor should go back in it, or do you think it should get an LS, or just rebuild that and make it a little spicier? I don't know. You shoot me a comment. But thanks again. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, hit that thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, because we got more stuff coming. These videos are going to keep coming whether you like it or not.